సో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవరీవన్. మనం ఈరోజు ఎస్ఏపి ఎఫ్ఐసిఓకి సంబంధించి ఎర్రర్ రిజల్యూషన్ అనే టాపిక్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి. సో ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ ఎర్రర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దామండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎర్రర్ ఈస్ నో అమౌంట్ ఎంటర్డ్ ఇన్ ద టాలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ ఇన్ ది కంపెనీ కోడ్ లైక్ బిఏఆర్సి ఆర్ఎల్ సిటిసి. సో మనకి ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఎంట్రీ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఎర్రర్ డిస్ప్లే అయితే దానికి మనం హౌ వీ కెన్ రిజాల్వ్ దట్ ఎర్రర్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ఓబీ 57 అంటే కోడ్ యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఎలా ఎర్రర్ ని రిజాల్వ్ చేయాలనే దాని గురించి మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాము. సో దెన్ వీ కెన్ గో టు ద ఎస్ఏపి. సో document posting T code is FB15. So you can enter here FB15. So the document like the GL document display document screen it will be displayed. So before the document entry, once we can check the company code, it's the correct or not. What are the document we can enter? This document is related to the particular company or a particular company code or not. So then we can select the date, particular data. So I'm posting the document today only. So you can select the day. I can select the date today. Then, for example, I can enter the one transaction like expenditure related transaction. So salary, I mean rent paid. So this situation is rent account entered to cash account. We'll pay the rent. So rent will be kept in debit side as well as cash at bank will be kept in debit credit side. So now I'm selecting in the rent account. So here also you can check company code BIRC is there or not. So after that continue tick mark. So select the rent account, click on execute button. And so this one is the rent GL account. So then automatically you can select the debit. Rent comes the debit side. So you can select the debit account. So the rent amount will be paid the 50,000. So then again we go for the second one. Select so rent account data to cash at bank. So rent will pay from the cash at bank mode. So you can select the cash at bank. So now I'm selecting the bank. So click on in the bank account. So bank will be kept in the credit side. Same amount will be entered 50,000. So now we can enter. So here we can check the display. No amount tolerance range entered in the company code. So we already discussed the same error. Now I'm discussing about the same error. So in the situations, actually what happened is going on. So the tolerance group, already each and every company we are having on tolerance group. Actually, the one employee having a more number of company codes entry option. So the situations, the employee having the creating only one tolerance group. So then automatically if employee change the employee codes to any document in a different company codes, then automatically the document will be posted. But each and every company one tolerance group will be created, so the entry possible the entry posting is not possible. So these situations, then automatically we can change the each and every company code posting time. We can change the tolerance group. So now I'm going to the tolerance group. Like you can I now I am open the new section. Here go to OB57, OB57. So select on position, user ID 36, user 60 is selected. So here under the tolerance group, this is our user ID. So here tolerance group SSTG. So this is the for another company code. So Surya Supermarket Company tolerance group. So now we are posting the document for BIRC. So now we can change the BIRC company tolerance group. So we can enter first two letters BA. So BATG is the tolerance group for BIRC. So enter, then go to the save button. Click here, transport request is generated. Then again you can save. So now again go to previous section. So now we can change the tolerance group. Now we can assign the tolerance group to BA SSMB to BIRC. So again we can enter. So no amount tolerance. So now we can refresh and enter the post document from starting onwards /n B50. So select on the date, select today date, same as well as select on the debit ledger, credit ledger. So now we'll post the rent rent paid. So you can select the rent comes the debit. So keep in debit section and amount will be 50,000. So rent paid from the cashier bank. So you can select the credit side ledger like cashier bank. Now I'm going to I add the Axis Bank account. I'll pay this rent account from Axis Bank. So that I'm selecting the Axis Bank. Axis Bank will be kept in credit side. So amount will be entered 50,000. So now we can enter. So previously there are no tolerance amount that error will be displayed, but now it is not displayed. So that is now we can rectify it. We are rectified. So the entry will be posted now successfully. So before the entry document posting, we can simulate. Why? Because simulate before the document posting, we can simulate and recheck the document status. So like say document posting date in each and everything, debit and credit ledgers, posting keys, everything once we can check, then post the document. So here the document 55505 was posted in company code. So we can resolve this no amount tolerance group in error for company code BIRC. So here, why this type of problem rising again and again? Because one employee having authorized one employee having the user ID credentials for different type of companies. In the situations one, each and every company code having only one tolerance group. So then only immediately if company code changes, then automatically entry posted done. But because of different type of company codes, we created different types of tolerance groups. So the same situation here arrived. Actually, the real-time process, actually the real-time projects, so each and every employee have assigned only one of company code only. For the example, top level management only they are having the different types of company code access. So top level management they don't have done the each and every transaction. So that one there is no problem from top level management. Thank you, Andy. Thank you so much. This is the error resolution from no amount tolerance group from uh, company code like TTC, different type of companies.